Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have some possible sneak peeks that we came across on Joe's Instagram that was posted today. Before we get into that, let me quickly remind you, if you want any information on Boxycharm and how to subscribe, then make sure you check out my link in the description. Now let's take a look at the possible spoilers, starting off with Joe's post on Instagram. He kept moving the camera to focus on all the items that were in the background, and this is what we saw. From PMD Beauty, this is the Clean Pro. Customize your cleanse with the PMD Clean Pro. It has 4 different modes using Sonic Glow technology work to break down the dirt and debris within your skin, while active warmth enables your skincare products to be more effective. Now this would be really amazing if we did get this, and if we did, I'm thinking it would be possibly in a future Boxy Luxe box. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. As always guys, I love you and I'll catch you in the comments below.